Good afternoon. Today I will tell you about multi-purpose box tripod turnstile TTD-10A. It is a multi-purpose model with modular design that allows connecting different types of external equipment. It is possible to mount an access control system controller inside the turnstile. Depending on the purposes, it is possible to mount card readers or barcode readers, to install card capture reader or coin acceptor. There are special brackets for biometric readers installation and a mounting bracket for larger equipment such as face recognition reader. Zones where to present cards are indicated with special pictograms. Top cover is also completed with pictorial screens indicating turnstile operation modes. Turnstile has a comfortable passage zone width. Automatic anti-panic barrier arms is a solution that ensures safety in case of emergency. TTD-10A box turnstile is made of stainless steel and designed for indoor and outdoor application. The turnstile is presented in 3 modifications that differ by the type of the side posts: standard one with built-in card capture reader and with built-in coin acceptor. Moreover, there are several types of these side covers available for installation of card readers, barcode readers, fingerprint and face recognition readers. Modular design allows getting a turnstile that meets the requirements for particular applications. For example, turnstile in a business center can be equipped with a card reader on one side and with a card capture reader on the other. Turnstile for industrial facility can be equipped with a card reader and face recognition reader. Turnstile to be used within the systems with paid access should be equipped with a coin acceptor. Or barcode reader. It is possible to select any combination of side posts and side covers of the turnstile. Complete set of the turnstile is chosen during its order. To ensure fast and convenient passage, it is recommended to install one turnstile for 500 people or based on the maximum load of 30 persons per minute. Turnstiles can also be completed with railings made in the same design. PERCo Company is specialized in serial production of security systems and equipment since 1988. Equipment manufactured by PERCo is installed at hundreds of thousands of sites all over Russia and is exported to 90 countries.